Start recording. So, मन स्क्रिप्ट तो देखा હું કરસ so welcome to start જ છે બોલવા દઈશ હવે મને so hey, greetings to everyone, welcome to FleetFlow. Today I am excited to walk you through the comprehensive full stack fleet and logistic management platform I have built from the ground up. The management fleet is traditionally plagued by fragmented spreadsheets, outdated softwares. It is designed to be a centralized command center, and in it helps in streamlining vehicle tracking, trip dispensing, driver completion, maintenance schedules, and operational expenses into one cohesive, a very modern looking interface. So right now I'm going to show you how the login page looks like. You are provided with a email you are provided with an email ID and a login password, which you afterwards do. And if you don't have one, you can create one from this here, and I'll get back to that afterwards. So when you sign in, this is what you look like. So this is the dashboard. So basically you can get the overview of all the informations here, like the active feed, the maintenance, the utilization, and the pending cargoes which are pending right now. Okay, so then there's vehicle registry. If you want to add a new vehicle here, then you can just fill out all these details and create a new one. And then there is trip dispatch. So in that, then you can add, if a new trip comes up, you can add the details for that here. And when there is some maintenance, like here I have given like the total logs, how many all time are there, how many vehicles are in shop in progress, and what's the total cost right now. So this is a master page where you can see all of the expenses throughout, in vehicle trip, in the trips, in the operation, in the maintenance, in the driver, in the miscellaneous, and the total which you get. And from here you can sort the things. If you want to see the maintenance, then you can. If you want just to see two of them, you can. So it's very highly customizable. So let's go to the next one. Here's the drivers list. So here you can see how many drivers are on duty right now, on suspended, and what are the status of that. And here is the analytics. If like analysis wants to check how the things are working, they can. Okay, and here you can see is that if I'll show you something in work, like let's say in maintenance, I create a new service, choose a vehicle, let's say Honda Dio Express, create a type of service, engine repair, uh, let's say heavily uh, gear box change, I guess. Gearbox change. Yeah. So estimated cost which you can put is, let's say, 10,000. And optional notes, if you want to add, then create a service log. So you can see that it has created a service log. So here you can see its notification that the vehicle is in maintenance right now. So you can see here like the maintenance tour of the gear engine repair, gearbox change on Honda Dio express. And if you want to see the other thing, like here in the expense part, what we can do is add a manual description such as fuel amount, let's say 40,000, and the date, let's put 02 02 2026. And let's use the Honda Dio again and link the driver, let's say David. Add expense. The expense is added automatically. Let's go up to here, and here you can see that it's not reloaded yet, so let's do that. Yeah. So yeah, let's get back to the point which I was getting back to. Okay. So let's get to the command center, like the dashboard. Like the security is the foundation here. The app uses a role based GWT authentication. What you are seeing is now the admin view, giving us the full access to the system admin, as you can see here. Okay, now the dashboard shows this all things, and here you can sign out from. Let's get to the detail which I would wanted to show you. Let's say I want to create something here. Let's say Joe Patel. Let's say Joe Patel. Work email would be Joe Patel @weekflow.com, and would be a dispatcher. And let's say its password would be Joe1 @123. So, oh, yeah, there's a second thing also, that you need to have a specific kind of password. It needs to be strong, otherwise you won't be able to get in. Create account. Accounts created. Okay. So whenever now you can save this here, then back to login. If you go here, then login from here. This is the dispatcher side which you can see. Okay. So here you can see the active trips. Okay. If the driver has any active trips, the log expense. If you are doing a stop here for any other thing, you can put the amount here, you can submit the expense, and add the receipt photo also. If you want to add, like if you can add, then you can add it from here. Okay. And like this website also works in mobiles too. And this is the active trip right now. So on right now I'm on duty, I can say I'm off duty too. Okay, sign out, and let's say let's log in to the admin one again. Sign in. Okay, so here you can, in the driver section, you can see when you add a Joe here, Patel, and their license number and everything, then you can register as a new one, otherwise you cannot.